What I am going to teach you is Blender version 2.78. Hope you will enjoy this. In this series you will learn from basics to advanced, so don't forget to watch full series video. So in this lecture what we will learn is about the interface of this Blender. So here, this is what is this? This is left hand side window. This is right hand side window. So this, what is it? This is there are three main features of this Blender. This one is camera. This one is lamp. This one is I'm gonna teach you these all things. This is cube. So these are three things. Here when you will click on lamp, the lamp will become bright. When you click on cube become bright or brown. When you click on camera, here camera becomes brown or bright. So the one main thing for the beginner to know is here to go to file, and then here user preferences, or you can press Ctrl Alt U. Go to here go to either editing. Here's the main thing, global undo. When you do work wrong something, you press Ctrl Z to come to back step. Here this is, you can change here to your own will. 53 means, what does 53 means? It means when you make something wrong, you press Ctrl Z or you undo the things. You can do it 53 times, 53 steps. And the one more thing that is much more important in this one, I teach you how to undo. Let's cut it. Let's select here this one and press delete. So if you delete this one, and the camera is deleted. So when you press Ctrl Z, this is one undo. So this is done. So you can do these steps as many times as you choose the steps, and you can press Ctrl Alt U. You directly come here to user preferences, and then the one main thing is input. If you are notepad user or notebook user, then you can go to here, emulate numpad. What is numpad? Numpad is just at the right side of your keyboard. The number shown are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plus enter 0 minus these. This is called numpad. You can even check this to active this numpad or uncheck this one. The most important thing is mouse. If you don't have mouse like pads, see, you can check this emulate three button mouse. What does this work? How does this work? It works like the middle rolling button of the mouse. So these are two main features for the newbie. If you are learning at basic, after these changes you can check this. You can select this save user setting and then cut this one. So here are three axis. This one is Z axis, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. Okay, are you getting me? Hope you are getting this one. Okay, these one are the main features. Oh, then the next thing is here are more windows. If you press T on the keyboard, this window will be vanished. If you press T, this window will show. Just T. And if you press N, a new window will show at the right side here. N. So the next thing is we come to these points. What is this? Here this is called this one. 0 to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This number. This window. This is called timeline, where you can edit your video, you can make animation, you can render the object here. So what is this? This is each layer. Each box is one layer. You can click here to go to layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 1. If you go to here layer 4, if you press just 1 on the keyboard, you will come to window layer 1. If you press 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's see, you can move to this. And the one and the other thing, let come to window 1, and then this one is very important, interesting. Let's see what is this. Here is 3D full view, like this one. This is 3D full view. You can see the object full. And then the animation mode, this type of window will be shown to you. And then compositing, this one will become, and then the default, as you open the Blender, it shows. We mostly work in this default window. This is graphic logic, this one. And your motion tracking, like this one, you can track the motions. This is scripting, etc. And then UV videos, and then this is video editing. So we let remain it default. So another thing, the most important is here, Blender render. What are these three main features? Blender render is more stable. It is more stable, and it renders each type of the object. So now you can also render this object. How this picture, just go here, render. So this is how beautiful it works. This is rendered object. You can press ESC on the board, or right click on the mouse to escape this one. So this is here is create tool, and this is place, this is number. You can extend this one. Also this is object mode. You can change this. This is global, or you can choose transformative orientation to local, global, normal to the object, and then gimbal view, etc. So this is you must see one thing. When you change this Blender render to Blender game, then this window properties will change, like Blender game. Just see here, these are the properties of Blender game. And this cycle, if you do cycle render, this become change. so let remain at blender renderer. So make sure then this is playback. These what are these? This is here you can jump to first frame and the range here, this one, just to start your animation. Here is you can jump to previous. Here this is play animation. This is also play animation. You can press Shift Alt A and then Alt A, just Alt A to play animation. This is forward. Also up arrow you can use. This is also here you can this is also jump to last frame. What is difference between these two? Between these two differences, you can go to last timeline, last window, just a second ahead. Here you can play, here you can play, here you can move just little bit seconds before, and then here you can move to drag first steps. You can also use here you can use Control up arrow as short key. Here you can use just up arrow. Here you can use down arrow. Here you can use Shift Control down arrow to go to Shift Control down arrow. So I hope we have done with this basics frames. If you want to show this one, click right click. If you right click here, you will see the camera is lightened. If you right click here, you will see the cube is lightened. If you click here, you will see lamp is brightened. So hope so we have done with this. The next video is upon you, the response you show to me. So make sure to comment if you like the video, you want to see more videos. Subscribe the channel and share these videos to your friends who are new. They can learn from here. Also let's meet in the next video. By then, take care of yourself.